Hello everyone, my name is Eva and today I would like to show you how to use Fetchsome's Chrome extension. Our Chrome extension allows you to quickly gather useful product data as you browse through Amazon's database, helping you in finding your perfect product to sell. The Fetchsome extension integrates seamlessly with your Google Chrome browser after downloading it from the Chrome Web Store. Fetchsome's Chrome extension is available in many different countries, so check out our website to find out if our extension is available where you are. After you have successfully added the extension to your browser, you can go ahead and search for a product or a product category that you would like to analyze on Amazon. So for the purposes of this tutorial, let's go ahead and search for shoe slots. Then let's click the icon of Fetchsome's Chrome extension right here on the top right corner of your browser. As you can see, with a simple mouse click, Fetchsome automatically displays all the data you need conveniently in one single screen. So let's take a closer look at what data can be observed here. In the first and biggest row, you can see metrics such as the number of average monthly sales, the average price, the average number of reviews, and the average net margin in percentage, as well as the opportunity score. The opportunity score tells you right away if there is a high or low chance for success. The higher the opportunity score is, the better for you. Here we can see that for shoe slots, there is high demand and low competition, which are both perfect conditions to enter into. Below, you can see all the products that are included in that niche, with data such as customer ratings, listing quality score, which I will explain in just a second, product prices, estimated FBA fees, and estimated revenue, and so on. If you want to add or remove some of the columns, just click right here on the very right, and you can remove or add any columns you like. So back to the listing quality score. It shows you how good or bad a listing is. An example for a good listing would be an appropriate amount of pictures, a well-written and detailed enough description, and product information section. If you click the arrow on the top right here, our extension also lets you look into historical demand and the locations of where the products have been purchased from within this product niche. By clicking the little cloud on the top, you can see the related keywords to the displayed products, which will help you even more in finding your perfect product. Another awesome feature is that just by clicking these three dots on the left of any product of your interest, it will be added to our web app's product tracker, letting you track the product's data such as reviews, ratings, rank, and price over time. So to wrap it all up, with Fetchsome's Chrome extension, you can easily and rapidly find out if a product category is profitable and worth going for, saving you valuable time. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on our Chrome extension that facilitates your product research. Stay tuned for more tutorials and good luck with your product research.